Hello everyone, we are the Group 4 and we will present operational challenges and employee performance at BCVR Prime Enterprise in pharmaceutical medical supplies that we will submit to our Professor Sofronio Dulay. Acknowledgement. The completion of this research would not have been possible without the support and guidance of several individuals. We express our deepest gratitude to our research advisor, Sofronia Dulay, for their valuable insights, unwavering support, and constructive feedback. We also extend our thanks to the faculty of the Business Administration Department at the Institute of Accounts, Business, and Finance at Far Eastern University for equipping us with the knowledge and tools to carry out this study. Special thanks go to BC Prime Enterprise for their cooperation and valuable data. Finally, we are deeply grateful to our families and friends for their encouragement and an understanding, and to God Almighty for His guidance and blessings to whom we dedicate this work. Abstract. This study examines the operational challenges faced by BCVR Prime Enterprise, a pharmaceutical and medical supplies distributor in Naga City, Philippines. It identifies key issues such as interpersonal conflicts among owners, inconsistent employee performance, and a lack of effective problem which negatively affect morale and productivity. Through interviews with employees and management, the research finds that the leadership dynamics significantly influence motivation and performance, creating operational inefficiencies. Additionally, the study highlights the need for improved employee performance metrics and ethical practices. It proposed solutions such as conflict resolution training, clear performance indicators, and technology integration improve efficiency and foster sustainable growth. Background. BCVR Prime Enterprise is a distributor of pharmaceutical and medical supplies based in Naga City, serving local healthcare providers like hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies. The company ensures its products meet healthcare standards through strict regulatory compliance, prioritizing safety and avoiding legal issues. BCVR Prime builds strong customer relationships by offering loyalty discount, health checks, and exclusive promotions, which helps them stand out in a competitive market with a diverse portfolio of branded and generic products, including medicines, medical supplies, and equipment. BCVR Prime is committed to delivering high quality, affordable solution to support the community's healthcare needs. Next.
Next is the statement of the problem. CVR Prime Enterprise faces significant operational challenges that hinder its ability to achieve optimal efficiency and employee performance. These challenges include interpersonal conflicts among the owners, which negatively affect workplace morale and create uncertainty among employees. Additionally, inconsistent employee performance and a lack of structured problem solving strategies have led to disruptions in workflow, reduced productivity, and customer dissatisfaction. Without addressing these issues, the company risks undermining its competitive position in the healthcare industry. This study seeks to identify the root causes of these problems and propose actionable solutions to improve operational efficiency and employee engagement. The lack of cohesion among BCBR Prime's leadership often results in misaligned priorities, which trickle down the employees in the form of unclear goals and expectations. Employees report difficulty in maintaining motivation and productivity due to the frequent disagreements at the management level, which create an unstable work environment. Furthermore, without consistent and transparent communication, employees are left uncertain about their roles in addressing operational efficiency. This issue is compounded by the absence of a structured performance evaluation system, making it difficult for management to measure and address employee contributions effectively. By understanding these challenges, the study aims to propose actionable recommendation to enhance workplace morale, foster a more cohesive work environment, and optimize operational processes. Ultimately, the goal is to provide insights that will help BCVR Prime Enterprise maintain the competitive edge in the healthcare industry and achieve sustainable growth. Furthermore, the study seeks to explore how leadership dynamics influence organizational culture and employee relationships. By examining these dynamics, the research aims to uncover strategies to minimize conflicts and create a more harmonious working environment. The study also seeks to determine how employee engagement can be improved through tailored training programs and skill development initiatives. Understanding the link between operational challenges and customer satisfaction is another key goal, as it allows for the identification of process inefficiencies that may directly affect clients. By addressing these areas, the study aims to contribute to the development of a more agile and responsive organizational structure. Additionally, the research intends to evaluate the role of technology in streaming workflows and increasing overall productivity. Finally, the study aims to highlight the importance of ethical practices and corporate social responsibility in fostering employee loyalty and enhancing the company's reputation.
So, for scope and coverage, this study examines how interpersonal conflicts among BCV or prime enterprise owner impact workplace morale, productivity, and employee relationships, alongside operational inefficiency caused by poor problem solving and inconsistent employee performance. It evaluates the company's internal operation, leadership dynamics, and their influence on organizational culture, employee behavior, and external performance. Next. So, Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. This research assesses performance evaluation system training program and their alignment with operational goals, while also exploring ethical practices and corporate social responsibility role in moral and public trust. Industry standards will serve as benchmarks, and perspective from management and employees will provide a comprehensive view of challenge and potential strategies for improvement. BCBR Prime Enterprise is a key wholesaler and distributor of pharmaceuticals, medical equipment, and lab supplies in the Philippines, serving pharmacies, clinics, hospitals, schools, and government institutions, particularly in Bicol and Naga City. They focus on customer satisfaction through loyalty program discounts and health checks, and use digital marketing to boost client management. More details are available on their official sites. Find health clinics profiles. So, here are the examples of related studies. Leadership Development in the Pharmaceutical Industry. According to a study by the Center for Creative Leadership, CCL, the pharmaceutical industry faces significant challenges in leadership, particularly in building collaborative relationship and managing change. CCL 20. These leadership struggles are exa- exacerbated by the industry's complex external environment and internal performance demands. So for B, leadership and challenges impacting employees' performance and retention. A study by Blacksmith, 2024, identifies several leadership challenges within the U.S. pharmaceutical industry, including inadequate problem solving and poor team management, which hinder employee performance and retention. Addressing this issue through to improve leadership practices could enhance overall organization success. Critical success factors for operational excellence in the pharmaceutical sector. According to research on operational excellence in the pharmaceutical sector, resistance to change and lack of employee involvement in the decision making are major barriers to operational efficiency. Implementing lean management techniques and strengthening leadership capabilities are essential for overcoming these challenges. The success of business in the pharmaceutical and medicals supply industry of hinges on operational efficiency, effective leadership, and employee management. According to Smith and Taylor, operational efficiency, such as inconsistent workflows and structured decision-making process, can significantly hinder organizational productivity. Leadership conflicts create a ripple effect that influence not only team dynamics but also organizational ability to respond to external market pressures. This finding emphasized the importance of fostering a cohesive leadership structure to ensure operational stability. Studies also highlight the impacts of morale on performance. High morale is linked to improved collaboration, increased productivity, and reduced turnover rates. Conversely, when leadership conflicts are prevalent, employees may experience heightened stress and disengagement, leading to subpar performance. This is especially critical in industries like pharmaceuticals where errors or delays can directly affect public health outcomes. Employee training and development have been identified as key factors in enhancing performance. A study by Davis found that organization with robust training programs see a 30% improvement in employee productivity compared to those without structured development plans. Training not only equips employee with the necessary skills but also foster a sense of commitment and engagement. However, many SMEs lack sufficient resources to implement this program effectively, leading to skill gaps and operational efficiencies.
The struggles leaders face. Leaders in pharmaceutical industry often struggle with adapting to change, especially in high pressure environments. According to the Center of Creative Leadership, CCL, this is a major challenge. The pressure to perform and deliver results can make difficult to manage change effectively. The power of effective leadership training. Leadership training programs can make big difference. When leaders are properly trained, they can better manage change, foster collaboration, and align their teams with company goals. As noted by Miller and Scott, this kind of training helps leaders navigate challenges more successfully and creates a more cohesive work environment. Lastly, resistance to change is a common barrier to operational excellence. Studies by Thomas suggest that employees often resist new initiatives due to poor communication and a lack involvement in decision-making process. Engaging employees through transparent communication and participatory approaches and enhance buy-in and reduce resistance. This is especially relevant for SME looking to implement new technologies or performance management systems, as employee cooperation is critical for successful adoption. In summary, the literature underscores the interconnected nature of leadership, employee engagement, operational efficiency, and CSR in driving organizational success. Addressing these areas holistically is essential for companies like BCVR Prime to overcome operational challenges and sustain growth. The conceptual framework. It starts with leadership dynamics next to organizational culture, employee performance, to corporate social responsibility, and last, organizational efficiency. This conceptual framework of this stakeholder theory study aims to illustrate how the operational challenges faced by BCBR Prime Enterprise, primarily related to leadership conflicts, employee performance, and organizational efficiency, are interrelated and mutually influential. At the core of framework is the notion that organizational dynamics, particularly leadership and employee behavior, are essential in shaping in the overall performance and cultural of company. This framework incorporates several variables to explain the interconnectedness between leadership, employee performance, and organizational culture, and corporate social responsibility. The first component of the framework is leadership dynamics. Leadership, particularly the conflicts among owners at BCVR Prime, is the root cause of many operational efficiencies in the organizations. The lack of consensus in corporate social responsibility and ethical practices are critical aspects of the conceptual framework that play an indirect but significant role in shaping organizational performance. CSR is an important factor in enhancing companies' reputation, building trust with stakeholders, and improving employee engagement. Employees are more likely to feel connected to companies that engage in socially responsible activities, particularly those that align with their personal values. However, BCVR Prime has limited involvement in CSR initiatives, which has led to lack employee satisfaction and public goodwill. Ethical practices such as transparency, fairness, and integrity in business operations are also essential for building a trustworthy brand and fostering employee loyalty. Organizational efficiency is the ultimate outcome of the intercom between leadership dynamics, employee performance, organizational culture, and CSR. In BCVR Prime, the leadership conflicts and inconsistent employee performance contribute to low organizational efficiency. Operational efficiencies, such, such as delays in decision making, poor customer service, and a lack of innovation, affect the company's ability to meet customer expectation and maintain a competitive advantage. For BCVR Prime, to improve its efficiency, it must address these underlying challenges, including resolving leadership, conflicts, enhancing employee engagement, and fostering a more positive organizational culture.
Chapter 3: Method of Data Collection. Interviews provide an in-depth, qualitative approach to understanding the personal experience, perceptions, and behavior of employees within the organization. Given the complex nature of the operational challenges at BCVR Prime Enterprise, such as interpersonal conflicts between owners, employee morale, inconsistent performance, and problem-solving difficulties. Interviews offers a values way to uncover the underlying causes of these issues, while surveys can provide quantitative insights. Interviews allows for a more detailed exploration of employees' perspectives, which can reveal root causes, and suggest more effective solution. This study employed a qualitative research designed to explore the operational challenges faced by BCVR Prime Enterprise. Qualitative research is effective in understanding complex phenomena, allowing research to capture detailed insights into participants' experiences and perceptions. The primary method of data collection was semi-structured semi-structured interviews, which provide flexibility for participants to share. A purposive sampling method was used to select participants, targeting employees and managers who had first-hand knowledge of the operational challenges within the organization. Purposive sampling ensures that the most relevant and knowledgeable individuals contribute to the study, thereby enhancing the reliability of the findings. A total of 12 participants, including 8 employees and 4 members of management, were interviewed. The diversity of roles among participants helped provide a comprehensive view of the issues from multiple perspectives in the participants' experiences. Thematic analysis involved 6 key steps: familiarization with data, generating initial codes, searching for teams, reviewing teams, defining teams, and producing the report. The research, the research team ensured data reliability by employing intercoder reliability checks, where multiple researchers independently reviewed and coded the data. This process minimizes bias and enhances the credibility of the findings. Additionally, member check To address ethical considerations, the study followed established guidelines for qualitative research. Informed consent was obtained from all participants, and they were assured of confidentiality and anonymity. Ethical approval was sought from the relevant institutional review board before the data collection began. Limitations of data collection process include the reliance of self-reported data, which may be subjected to biases such as social desirability or recall inaccuracies. However, these limitations were mitigated by triangulating interview data with observations and organizational documents where available. The chosen method ensured that the study captured in-depth insight into the challenges faced by BCVR Prime Enterprise while adhering to rigorous ethical and analytical standards. These qualitative insights provide the foundation for developing actionable recommendations to address the identified issues and improve organizational performances.
This practice enhanced data reliability as researchers could revisit exact responses during the review process. The interview guide also allowed flexibility to address unanticipated issues raised by participants. For instance, if a participant highlighted a problem not explicitly covered in the guide, researchers could explore it further. This adaptability ensured the collection of relevant insights even those outside predefined themes. Additionally, the guide encouraged self reflection, asking participants questions such as: what changes do you think would most improve workplace morale? Okay, next 28. The study may reveal that interpersonal conflicts between the owners of BCVR Prime Enterprises have a significant negative impact on employee morale and productivity. Employees often report feeling demotivated, disengaged when they witness ongoing disputes among the leadership. These conflicts can lead to lack of clear direction and poor communication within the organization, which is in turn diminishes trust and collaboration among staff. As a result, employees may feel less inclined to take initiative or go the extra mile in their work, misleading to a decline in overall workplace morale. Furthermore, when the owners are frequent disagreement, the organization may experience inconsistencies in decision making affecting operational efficiency. This organization can contribute to employee frustration as staff members struggles to maintain a consistent approach to problem solving and customer service, such as internal discord may also result in high turnover rates as employees seek more stable and supportive work environments. 29. The inconsistent performance of sales team further exacerbates this issue, creating disparities in customer service and client satisfaction without intervention. These operational challenges could undermine BCVR Prime Enterprise's competitive position in the market and hinder its growth ambition. Result 2, impact of inconsistent employee performance on operational efficiency. Thus, the study may reveal that inconsistent employee performance significantly affects operational efficiency of BCVR Prime Enterprises. Employees exhibiting varying level of performance can create disruptions in workflow, leading to inefficiency in tasks such as inventory management, order processing, and customer service. This inconsistency may also lead to delays in fulfilling orders or errors in inventory tracking, which can result in customer dissatisfaction and loss of business. When employees are not meeting performance expectation, it puts additional pressure on their colleagues, leading to burnout and decline in overall productivity. Furthermore, inconsistent performance can also impact the team dynamic as employees may become frustrated with uneven workloads. 30. Moreover, without a without it, it becomes difficult for management to evaluate employee progress or offer targeted support. As a result, BCVR Prime Enterprises may struggle to maintain high standards of service and operational consistency, which are crucial in a competitive industry like pharmaceutical distribution. Result 3, design and evaluation of an approach to address the ethical and social responsibility issues. This project focuses on creating a thoughtful and impactful strategy to tackle the ethical and social challenges faced by BCVR Prime Enterprise. By putting people at the heart of approach, we aim to ensure our solutions to promote fairness and inclusivity and sustainability. Next po. 31.
Design and evaluation of an approach to address the ethical and social responsibility issue. This project focused on creating a thoughtful and impactful strategy to tackle the ethical and social challenges faced by BCRB Prime Enterprise. By putting people at the heart of our approach, we aim to ensure that our solutions promote fairness, inclusivity, and sustainability. The goal is to build a framework that not only aligns with ethical standards but also strengthens our social responsibility by addressing the needs of communities, employees, and stakeholders in a meaningful way. The study found that BCVR Prime Enterprise has limited engagement in ethical practices and corporate social responsibility, which impact both its external culture and its public image. Furthermore, the absence of ethical practices is in decision making has led to perceptions of favoritism and inequality within the workplace, contributing to low morale. The study also revealed that BCVR Prime could improve its CSR initiatives by aligning them more closely with the values and needs of its employees. For instance, introducing employees volunteer programs or health-related workshops could serve to engage the workforce while also benefiting the local community. Lastly, the study suggests that developing a robust CSR framework would provide long-term benefits such as improved employees retention, a stronger corporate brand, and greater competitiveness in the market. With clear commitments to ethical practices and social responsibility, BCVR Prime could improve its overall operational efficiency, enhance workplace satisfaction, and better align itself with industry best practices. Conclusion and recommendation. Summary of the findings. The findings of this study reveal several key operational challenges faced by BCVR Prime Enterprise. Interpersonal conflicts among the owners significantly affect workplace morale, leading to uncertainty and so,